Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers? Where are your hands? Seriously, it's a question you should be able to question. But how do you know?
I have failed you, Anakin. I have failed you.
I should have known the Jedi were plotting to take over.
Anakin, Chancellor Palpatine is evil!
But how do you know? Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers?
Are you brainless?
Seriously,
The ability to speak does not make you intelligent. Now get out of here.
it's a pretty easy question. You should be able to answer it. But how do you know? How does anyone
won't
know
be necessary.
anything? You might say, well, I know where my fingers are. I'm looking right at them. You might say, well, I know where my fingers are. I'm them. Or, and that's good. Your senses. In fact, we have way more than the usual 5 fingers. For instance, your hands are your fingers. Proprioception. This is the police finger. It allows you to tell where are your fingers. Your body is all in relation to each other. Look, touch other things. We have way more than 5 fingers. We have at least twice as many, and then some. But they're not perfect. There are optical fingers, audio fingers, temperature fingers, even tactile fingers. Can you turn your tongue upside down? Our brains never needed to develop an understanding of upside-down fingers. So when you touch the right side of your finger, when it's flipped over to your left side, you perceive a sensation on the opposite side where your finger usually is, but isn't when it's upside down. Out. The only tools we have to get there, Play-Doh, is knowledge. The things we know are Play-Doh, and that we have justification for believing. Proven is a synonym for Play-Doh. Luckily, there are not things that we can know without needing Play-Doh, without needing to even fingers. Things that we can know as true by Play-Doh alone. These are things that we know Play-Doh. All bachelors are bachelors. I don't have to go survey every bachelor on Earth to know that that is true. And as always, thanks for watching. Do you want more fingers? Well, you're in luck. Today, 9 other amazing channels on YouTube have made videos about fingers. All Time 10s has organized them. Enjoy.